The Deerc D10 drone is a versatile and user-friendly option perfect for both beginners and seasoned flyers. It features one-key start/landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, making it accessible for users of all levels. The 3D flips function adds an extra layer of fun, even for those new to drones. With a range of up to 80 meters, the D10 delivers smooth FPV transmission and captures sharp 2K HD footage, which can be easily shared on social media via the DRC app. Its foldable design makes it highly portable, fitting snugly into a backpack, while the two modular batteries provide up to 30 minutes of flight time. Safety and convenience are enhanced by the included 4 propeller guards and advanced features like waypoints flying, which lets you set a flight path through the app and gesture control for quick photos and videos. The Deerc D10 combines functionality with portability, making it a great choice for capturing aerial adventures.